Since I've been making tutorials on YouTube for how to get more developers into blockchain and gaming, the number one request that I've been getting on the channel is how do I connect my standalone game to the blockchain? Unfortunately, there aren't that many tools that are out there on the market that make it really easy for developers to integrate blockchain for any platform that they want to deploy, including VR. That's why I wanted to take the next step with the FusedVR crypto APIs and brand it around this core authentication problem for developers. And we're going to call it ChainAuth. I know that's not the most fancy name in the world, but you get the point. As a developer, the goal of this platform is to really make it easy for you in just a few lines of code to authenticate players and prove their ownership of assets on the blockchain, whether that be NFTs or tokens. As a player, the game will be able to give you a code or send you an email, at which point you can go to a website like link.fusedvr.com to use your wallet, sign a random message, and send that back to the game so that the game can prove ownership of your tokens or NFT. Getting started is super simple by heading over to crypto.fusedvr.com and you can get yourself up and running pretty quickly. And honestly, I think this is just the first step to enabling a lot more applications to really build out the metaverse.